If you're new to this channel, I like going to auctions, buying, reselling, have for many years. I like gardening and watching storms, whatever comes along, you know. Maybe go to the cemetery, try to see if I can find a ghost or something, who knows. But anyway, I just want to say thank you for watching my videos, and double thank you if you subscribe. Nothing too exciting here, but just like to film and show you things. Anyway, these are my potatoes. Looking really good. I just watered them last night. You can see how the water's seeping in there. Purple flowers. It's kind of a recap. The other day I showed a little bit of my garden. Potatoes are starting to form there. See that? Red potatoes. These are all red potatoes. Got the weeds out of my carrots. That was a lot of work. End up pulling up a lot of them. There's my sweet onions. Them are looking pretty good. You know, we're in a really bad drought, so to have anything right now is just amazing. These are the sweet bell peppers. More onions. I cage everything anymore because the wind blows stuff down. Cage my peppers. Here's my tomato patch. Getting ready to flower. You got to constantly stay on these gardens. I've been getting the weeds out, hoeing, tilling, watering. Hopefully we get some rain. I don't know. Some people say it might not rain again this summer, but who knows, you know. Crazier things have happened. Here's my cucumbers. First year here, I'm caging up my cucumbers, see how they do. I know a lot of people do it. I mean, you learn something all the time. I should have been doing it. You can walk out and just pick them, you know, instead of having them lay on the ground. Here's a pumpkin patch here. Just some odd pumpkins I threw in there. Here's my green beans, Blue Lake bush beans. I think these are stringless. Here's my pumpkin pie patch. These are doing really good. Put a video up the other day and they were just starting, but it's amazing what a few days will do, you know. Anyway, they're coming along pretty good. Try to keep the weeds out. Here's my strawberry patch. These turned out really small. I got one good tip from my neighbor. He grows pretty good sized strawberries, and he said he puts pine needles down. So I've been putting pine needles. Plus it helps keep the weeds down, because strawberries like acidy soil. But everything's small this year because of the drought. But they're just really small berries. See there? That's a nice berry though. Heck yeah. Take it down here and show you real quick. It's cool growing a garden. It's fun getting out, planting stuff, watching it grow. Get some exercise, clear your brain, grow some good food, you know where it came from. Like I said in the last video, I had to cover these. The raccoons were eating all the seeds out of the ground. It's just crazy stuff comes at you all the time. They're doing really good. There's a pumpkin coming up inside the cage there. Yep, they're coming. It is just so dry. So dry here. If you don't water, you'll lose everything. These are Atlantic Giants, I think. That's what these are here. I'm gonna try growing some of them. They take a lot of space. You gotta prune them, take off the pumpkins. It is hot out here. Anyway, it's a view of my large pumpkin patch. I gotta finish watering these tonight. I'm gonna take you up here real quick and show you my corn patch. I finally got the weeds out of that. This here's my sweet corn patch. I got electrical wire going around to stop the raccoons from getting in there and pulling up the seeds and eating them, so I don't got a cover. I've had a big problem this year. I think it's because of the drought. I've never had it happen before. Anyway, I plant this in stages. I got another stage over there, and I'll plant again here probably another week. That way you can eat sweet corn all summer long, if the drought don't get it, that is. Anyway, I just wanted to show you a quick walk through the garden. I didn't have it finished the other day, but I get in and tear my garden up and everything else, and come up here and take the cat food. Ain't that right, buddy? They eat your cat food, don't they? He's a stray that came in on us. Pretty friendly. It's kind of weird that these cactus grow here and survive the winters. I'm thinking they call them prickly pear. Ain't that something there? All them yellow flowers. Here's all the new ones coming out. The new growth. The bees are happy. Look at that bee in there. The bee's got like a green head on it. Never seen a green-headed bee. Green-headed bee. I better be careful, I'll get stung, but I've been stung by 2 wasps already this year. That's not fun.